hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing something I purchased from Crazy Bag Lady, Mrs. Crazy Bag Lady. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items like DIY, compare bags, and do a review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. If you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. What did I buy? This is hilarious. No, I did not buy cat food, but I love that she put it in a Whiskas cat food box. I didn't know they sell Whiskas in the UK. So let's give this an open. She included a card. Let's read the card first. And of course, it's a Christmas card. It arrived super late from the UK, so Merry Little Christmas. And have a lovely time. Happy Christmas. Love, Jane. This is Crazy Bag Lady. I love her channel. She's awesome. Visit her channel. I'll link her information below. She also has an eBay store, and I'll link her little stores below. She makes all these cute little things, so let me just show you now. Oh, here she is. Just like the video, she created this little mousy doll. I'm into little mouse dolls because this is my childhood toys. I fond great memories of having my little mousy doll. I don't have my original ones as a little child, like my little mousy teddy bear. I wish I did have them, but these look so much like them, except they had like long dresses. Anyway, so this is one mousy, and she did include a purse. And I think she custom makes them. You can ask her, but they're so adorable. And I do have another one. Here she is. Now that they're friends, one has jewels and one has pearls. And one looks more Gucci-ish and one, I don't know, this looks Chanel-ish. Doesn't matter, they're together now. Crazy Bag Lady, they are here and they're hugging. Little sisters, besties, or what have you. One is taller than the other. Anyway, they're so cute. I'm gonna put them in my luxury room, and I just wanted to share with everybody. If you're interested in like cute homemade things, Mrs. Crazy Bag Lady, she has really adorable stuff. Like I bought this one from her too. And this is a little chicken that has like lavender scent, and when you squeeze it, it just lets out a lot of lavender scent. It's really, really, really adorable. She makes different ones with different fabrics. And I just love her little items. They're so cute. Anyway, everybody, have a wonderful day. I see a delivery guy outside. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.